So I am back here at New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. So I got another 2 free nights here by playing the My Vegas apps for free. Totally awesome. But the reason I want to do another room tour is this room is different than last time, and it's so much better. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So when you first come into the door, your room key, see there's the light, turns on here. You have a full-length mirror. Hello. This picture on the wall, the bathroom. Got the light switch here. Hair dryer. It's way too close to personal mirror for all those details. Couple outlets. We got hand soap, some lotion. It is not tested on animals. That's awesome. This is the mirror. Got running water, hot and cold. This thing too. Some tissues. Ice bucket with 4 plastic cups. Picture. Some towels. The toilet. Trash can is down here. We do have a tub here. Some more towels. Some soaps, shampoo and conditioner. Also not tested on animals. That is awesome. Shower head. Let's turn this on. Let's see what's with this. I feel like this is a screw. Something broke off here. I have no idea how to turn the shower on. Okay, I'm gonna call it and figure that out. So he did replace this little piece, so that works now. Also, it wasn't clogged. The reason it wasn't draining was because the pressure was too much, and I guess he said it was kind of like dirty and gross anyway, so he went and switched out the shower head for me. So everything is fixed for the shower. It's a hook to hang your towel on. Come out here, you have a place to rest your suitcase. 2 beds. The lamp right here with an outlet. Phone. In-room dining, kind of stuff. Check this out. So I've noticed that every hotel I've stayed at that's owned by MGM, at least I think it's everyone I've stayed at so far, give you like these little gifts. It has a couple masks in it. Some hand sanitizer. I've known like in the past I've also got bottle openers and other little things like that. Super cute though. Chair. Trash can. Chair looks pretty clean for the most part. Yeah, no, I would say it's pretty clean. Got a couple papers in here. Another mirror. Lots of mirrors here. We have a TV. Iron and ironing board with some hangers. On the side, there is a safe. And I guess if you want to put your suitcase or something in there, you can. Another rack to put some hangers. We have 3 drawers in here. They offer dry cleaning, so this is all the information for that. As you can see, the drawers are pretty deep. Chair. Another lamp. Turns on this way. Oh, wait. Oh, just kidding. It's broken. Yikes. So we're not going to use that. This is the fixed lamp. Another outlet down here. And this is where you would control the temperature. Although it does not feel like it's 65 degrees. I don't know how accurate that is. So if we walk over here to this window, check this out. I have a strip view. I can see the entire roller coaster. If you go down this way, you can see, pretty good down the other side of the strip. And the location is so perfect. Look, there's Hard Rock over there. Downstairs right there is where those trees are, is Hello Kitty Cafe. But look, it gets even better. Not only do I have this strip view, but do you guys see this? You guys see this massive curtain? I have a corner room. Look at this. More of the strip. Isn't that awesome? Look, you can even see all the planes coming in. I seriously cannot get over the fact my room is just like one big window to view the strip, and it's 2 free nights. That is so amazing. So not only do I have the most amazing view of the strip with my 2 free hotel nights, but check this out. So there were a couple things that were broken in the room, so I immediately called just to let them know that, hey, just checked in, hadn't even unpacked yet, and this is what's going on. They sent someone from maintenance over right away, and the guy was so nice. He fixed everything, and I got a $25 dining credit for Times Urban. So they took care of my lunch, and that is just so awesome. The guy's name is Edwin. Thank you so much, Edwin. You were super awesome, and thank you for fixing my room. Right, guys? So in the description, I'm basically going to put down things that have happened after I did this initial room tour, like were the towels stained or were they clean, how was housekeeping, just things like that. So look in the description for that. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I do all kinds of Vegas room tours, Vegas videos. I also mainly cover Disney and Universal content. So if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!